Judge B. Lynn Windmill, a federal judge in Idaho, ruled that a ban on gender affirming care in the state violates the equal protection and due process rights of parents and their transgender children. The court also ruled that gender affirming care is, quote, safe, effective, and medically necessary, unquote, for transgender youth. Importantly, the court directly addressed the arguments from the 6th and 11th Circuit appeals courts that gender affirming care is not, quote, traditionally protected, unquote. It argued that the right to seek medically accepted care for children is, quote, deeply rooted in the nation's history and traditions, unquote. In doing so, the judge ordered a preliminary injunction to block state attorneys from enforcing the law, allowing the continuation of care in the state. The decision, issued in a 51-page memorandum and order, is notable in that it responds to recent circuit court cases in more conservative court circuits that have allowed bans to go forward. Earlier this year, Republican-appointed judges in the 6th and 11th Circuit Courts ruled that gender-affirming care bans were legal because gender-affirming care is not, quote, deeply rooted in the nation's history and traditions, unquote. So anything new that comes up is not a right that you have. You only have the rights that people had in the 1700s, because that makes a lot of sense. This extremely narrow test of whether or not a right is offered constitutional protection under the 14th Amendment is known as the Glucksberg test. So yeah, they're using this just bizarre draconian mindset on things to control people, just to control people. It's just about control and limiting the rights of citizens.